Vourvachi, τι κάνεις? Να είμαι. Τι ώρα πρέπει να είμαστε Ρουμανοί? 12 παρατέταρτο δηλαδή. Ναι, εντάξει, δεν έχω. Καλύτερα γιατί ακόμα είμαι Αθήνα, είμαι με εσάς, είμαι Αθήνα. Όχι καλή, είμαι με τα μάξι μου, μην αγχώνεσαι, ήμουν έβδια. 10 και 45 ή 11? Α, 11 και 45. Και τι κάνω, χώρο και τουρί μετά. Οκ. Οκ. Οκ, οπότε 12 παρατέταρτο. Έγινε. Να είμαι κάτω, 12 παρατέταρτο, ναι. Έλα. Ναι, στείλει και με έλεγε. Και πώς είναι η σημερινή νότα. Ναι, γιατί τελείως θα δούμε, γιατί κοιτάτε είναι 2 ώρες από την Αφελιπία. Ναι, και θα έφευγα σήμερα να πάω κάτω.
Και πώς πας, με κτέλ?
Αμάξι, δεν είναι, ούτε κτέλ έχει.
Α, δεν έχει?
Όχι, πρέπει να πας πύργο και από πύργο να βρεις τρόπο να πας κατάκολο. Υπάρχει τρόπος, γιατί συνήθως οι ξεναγοί βρίσκουν μετά στον οδηγό που περνάνε και πάνε, αλλά εγώ δεν θέλω να είμαι, αν περάσει κάποιος ότι θα τον πάρει. Με τα μάξι.
Και ήρθες εδώ με τα φυγή?
Ναι, ήμουνα στην Εύη γιατί μετακόμιζα, ένα μήνα off εδώ από δουλειά τίποτα. Και γιατί μετακόμιζα και ήρθα με το αμάξι και θα κάτω από κάτω. Τώρα έχω μιλά από 12 παράγοντα δεν έχει άδερα.
Πού συνέβησε?
Στη Αυλωνάρη, κίνητος.
Το γνάρισε?
Ναι. Γιατί? Από το Αυλωνάρη.
Πού μα πει Αχλαδέρη?
Αλήθεια. Μετακόμισα τώρα στο Αυλωνάρη.
I want to tell you about, you can see this.
At the moment, this building is a museum of contemporary art. It used to be one of the most prominent beer brewery, known as Fix. It was in this building, and then when it moved away from here, the building was left standing for many, many years, and eventually they decided a museum of contemporary art. We're now on the main avenue called Siggrou Avenue, which connects the center of Athens down to Piraeus. So we're heading towards Piraeus. I'll tell you, buddy. Big rivals are Narcissus and Stavros. Okay, both shipping merchants. Didn't like each other and big rivalry. But anyway, he's also got a very rich shipping merchant and he's got a foundation as well. At the end, as we get in there, I'll point out his foundation built a recreation center. In this recreation, it's a very green building. They tried to make the roof is all a garden and it's a sloped roof, so when you're on there you don't know you're in this building. And they wanted to, the area that it is in is Kali Thea. Kali, good. Thea is view. So the way he built it, he wanted the building to represent the name of the area and to have a good view. So at the very top you've got a beautiful view. So that's in that building. And also there's a very modern new library. Many of the artifacts that were in the National Library, remember we passed the Trilogy 3 buildings? One of them was the National Library. Well, they've removed artifacts from there and they keep them in this library now. Okay, so he built this whole complex. You'll see it's huge. They do a lot of free concerts in the summer outside or show films and people can go there. So he built this, donated it to the state, and then the state keeps it up and they collect whatever money they make from that. The opera is never free, but these little concerts that they put